Ashi is a zinda lash right now. Mind is blown with the food here. It was worth it. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alfia and in today's video we are attending Mansi's wedding. My mom has woken up. It's about 4 a.m. She's coming to drop me with my sister and I haven't slept obviously as always, and I look super tired but headed to the airport right now. It's a destination wedding happening in Udaipur. I don't know, I'm feeling so weird about it. I mean, even though I didn't know about it since the beginning of the year that, you know, she kept telling us that this December I'm gonna get married. I just felt like she's fooling around, she's joking, but actually like it is happening and it is Aja Mahi Way, their hashtag. That's the way, Mahi Way. Me, Ashi, Mridul, Aditya, we are traveling together and हमारी flight 6:45 की है. I just hope inshallah हमारी flight time पे होगी, no delays because Indigo always delays the flights. But it's going to be super exciting because it's a winter wedding and काफ़ी ठंडी होगी. मैंने already मेरा sweatshirt पहन लिया है for some reason. But let's go to the airport. Reunited with Maddie and Aditya. Let's go, Aja Mahi Way. Guys, we reached the property and oh my god, it is so beautiful. Mansi had actually asked me if I wanted to see pictures जब हम मुंबई में थे and I was like, no, I want to witness it with my own eyes and it was worth it. It is so beautiful. I don't think I've ever been to a property this huge, this pretty. It's crazy. On our way to our rooms. Bye neighbors.
Hi neighbors.
Bye बोल.
Bye.
The hallway जहाँ से हम चल के आए to our room. Oh my god, it's unbelievable how huge this property is. Hey. So this is what our room looks like. We got this huge bag full of goodies, so let's see what's inside. सबसे पहले तो ये customized Coca-Cola. तेरा कोका तू मेरी कोला with their hashtag. We have some chocolates. ये मानसी का सबसे फेवरेट रामन है और ये पेरिस में बहुत लेके आई थी, so this is literally screaming Mansi. But what I love the most is this emergency kit slash your medicines. It has Saradon, it has Eno, bandage. क्या बोला तूने? Bandage.
English speaking, not a children play.
क्या क्या? Oh my god, this is crazy. So well thought. I love it.
Sangeet practice.
Got it right?
I think so.
समझ गया ना?
मैं
आ
अभी
गया
भी
ना?
हाँ वो तो आगे वो तो इजी है.
तो 6 वाला वोट वहाँ पे तो
छह
हाँ,
छह।
छह मुझे थोड़ा
तो
परफेक्ट
ये
करना है.
कर-
ठीक है आ जाएगा.
देखो तू यही ध्यान रख कि तुझे राइट वाला हाथ नीचे डालना है और उसी को ऊपर
ठीक है
लेना है।
सुन एक और बार मैं से कितना कर रही हूँ ठीक है.
हाँ 1 2 ऊपर फेंको, राइट साइड ऊपर फेंको, नीचे और ऊपर. Okay, so it's time for the first function. I already did my makeup. I will just put on my outfit. Ashi is ready. Mridul has got an Evie baby attending their mother's wedding. This is actually my outfit. It's a pre-draped sari and Qnic. There's this Instagram page. They had done my haldi outfit even for Mridul's wedding. And this time we're not doing like yellow because Mansi ne theme rakha tha purple, pink or yellow ka. So we all have just gone for different colors other than yellow. Let me just put it on and see how it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's very lightweight. I need to actually just pin this here so it doesn't fall off. And I'm gonna add these earrings. Oops. They have like a hint of purple. That's it. And this is my final look for the haldi function. I'm just feeling so weird about like not wearing yellow, but I mean we are just following the theme. Let's see. Sam has dressed in pink, looking like a desi Barbie. Oh my god, she's so pretty. There's some time for the haldi ceremony to begin. तब तक पेट पूजा, बाकी काम पूजा. This is actually our first proper meal of the day. We are now headed for the haldi function. Bride and groom are ready. Let's unfold Aja Mahi way. Let's go.
Haldi, that's why we are all wearing dresses.
So let's do this, everybody.
So now we'll show you the entrance.
Here we are. For those who know, you know, and for those who don't know, I'm sure it's going to be one hell of a welcome. So ladies and gentlemen, friends and family, both the families, can I hear you guys scream a little louder?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
DJ throw music bajao. Let's count down. 10, 9. Come on, people. Let's see which side are you on. सच का साथ दे रहा है. सच का साथ. से कोई एक आके इसका पार्ट बनेगा. So game is simple. As soon as the music starts, आप अपना rotation शुरू कर देंगे. You will revolve around this like a planet. But then, as soon as the music stops, I will have a demand that you all will have to fulfill. These demands are given by the couple. Demand है आपको अपने अलावा किसी भी और लोगों से लेके आने हैं ये चीजें और अपने फेस पे फिट करके फिर बैठना है. ओके? और ये चीज है, आपको लगा मैं पहले चीज बता दूंगा फिर आप चले जाओगे. फिर सनग्लासेस. Two. Jiju, last chance. Okay, wait. First we'll ask you. इनका कार्ड है लेट कमर. तो ये एट्रीब्यूट, ये जो खूबी है, ये nobody else will give any hints. Okay? हाँ. Thank you. लेट कमर कौन है दोनों में से, या कोई भी नहीं है? देयर आर 3 ऑप्शंस, A, B, none of the above. तो मतलब none of the above, you mean that ये हमारा punctual couple है. Let's see the answer, guys. What is the answer? With minus 100 points, everybody. Congratulations. You started with 100, but a -1. Now here, she looks confident for some reason. What is the card? Please show the camera. Red velvet cheese. हाँ, और थोड़ा obvious कर. और हंसो थोड़ा जोर से. Please say.
I've ordered lots of times for red velvet cheesecake is of course Manasi's.
Why?
Yes. Why? Because she's so favorite.
But how do you know this? That's what we know. We want to know stories behind these facts also, no? That's why.
So basically, there's this one cheesecake in Mumbai that she really likes. Whereas there's another red velvet cheesecake that I really like. It's from 2 different restaurants. Or whatever, like bakeries, whatever, yeah. So, yeah, that's why red velvet. So we have that thing going on.
साहिल इसे दोस्त बोलते हैं, ऐसे नहीं. All right, so 100 points you're going. Rugby. So, ma'am, rugby. Either of them, neither of them.
Neither of them.
Nobody likes rugby. And the right answer is it a bluff? It's right. 100 points. So you move on to 200 points, but oh, then there is no draw.
Lavender and Mansi.
Oh, it's a draw. DJ, let's play some beautiful songs. Complimentary नहीं चाहिए मानसी को. She doesn't want it now complimentary. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the game is none other than Sahil. And the winner of Sahil is none other than Mansi. So,
Masi is on duty.
वो सब मारेगी तो क्या होगा?
और निखर के आ रहा है भाई. To all your friends who are...
Okay, it is time for Sangeet and it's getting so cold. I think फिलहाल 7 या 8 degree है. My hands are freezing. But let's get dressed. Let me show you my outfit in a bit. This is my outfit. It's so blingy. It's in my favorite color, white. And this is by the designer Moini Chhabra. She literally designed this whole outfit for me specifically, and it's so pretty but also so heavy. Let's quickly change and I'll show you what it looks like. So basically this is a jumpsuit and uske upar there's this very beautiful embellished sort of jacket which is super heavy, but I love it. I've added this very simple diamond neck piece that is literally 15 years old. It's that old, but I hope it also matches with the metal of this one. Not that crazy. इसमें थोड़ा सा गोल्ड है but इतना दिख के नहीं आएगा, वैसे भी अंधेरा ही होने वाला है. So adding these silver earrings. अखियों के लड़ गए चल धुआं उड़ा के झूम 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 झूम. Finishing touches with this red lipstick. Ooh, red lip is looking too much. मेरा में
अच्छा लग रहा है, कुछ तो कलर हो
है ना पक्का.
I look fancy.
No, you look like a
This suspense is killing me.
you look like a newlywed bride who's attending someone else's wedding, who's desi but who's also modern.
Wow. I'll take that.
I was confused about my red lipstick.
No, I love it.
Hmm?
love it.
हम लोग का टॉम एंड जेरी वाला रिलेशनशिप है जो मेरे को पर्सनली बहुत मज़ा आता है देखने में. एंड ऑल्सो देयर सो मच लव. मतलब उसकी हर एक चीज़ को लेके वो इतना जेंटल है उसको समझाने में और उसकी हर बात मानने में. दैट्स आई थिंक द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल पार्ट अबाउट द रिलेशनशिप.
Thank you so much for adjusting your schedules according to us and blessing us. So yeah, I just want you guys to enjoy. And about tomorrow, I think we have been waiting for this day for like last 6 years. So yeah, the day is finally here. I think I am just going to cry tomorrow. That's all I know. That's all I know. Happy tears, of course.
माथे की बिंदिया चमके चमके मेरे सर से चुनरिया सरगे सरगे हो मेरे माथे की बिंदिया चमके चमके मेरे सर से चुनरिया सरगे सरगे हो.
Hi you guys, I just woke up after the Sangeet last night. It went on for so long and it was so good. Like the dances were super crazy. ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं कोई बॉलीवुड मूवी देख रही हूँ. सबने इतना अच्छा डांस किया. एंड उसके बाद हमने बहुत लंबे तक चला. हम लोग ने खाना ही खाया कुछ 12:30 बजे रात के. उसके बाद 2:30 बजे तक टाइम पास किया. एंड आई एक्चुअली स्लेप्ट ऑफ वाइल Ashi, Mridul, they were partying, but मेरे अंदर bandwidth ही नहीं था. I had not slept for like 2-3 nights उसके पहले की भी. So I was super tired. My body was like giving up. But right now it's about 9-10. We were just knocked at our door. We already knew about it, but we were just knocked at our door saying that there's a surprise happening and we need to be ready by 9:30. So we just going to like change and yeah, let's do it now. Ready? Let's go. Too early. Ashi is a zinda lash right now.
Alvia said, "You look like your soul has left your body," and that's exactly how I feel.
Kiran, what is the surprise? Give us some hint because we are super clueless.
It won't be a surprise.
Has it something like never happened before time?
Yeah, it's something like that.
It's not like a film from yesterday.
Better.
Oh.
It's nicer. It's a live performance from yesterday. It'll be fun.
Excited.
It'll be so fun.
Getting our hair done after the whole dance and dhol. We actually ate breakfast और अभी हम जल्दी आ गए हैं so that we can get done with the hair. Today is D-Day. We need to actually get ready in like 2 hours पूरा completely. So Might as well just get hair done. फिर उसके बाद shower, makeup. So excited.
How are you gonna shower after hair?
I'll pin it up.
Okay. तो भी घोड़े बेच के कोई भी कर.
हाँ मैंने बोला था पार्टी करो 4 बजे तक.
हम सोए हैं. Actually not bad, 5 hours.
Yeah, but
That
it's
doesn't
also
sound
so
too
much
bad.
exertion for the entire day.
And also I haven't slept. उसके पहले की रात also.
Ashi is like, मैं तो क्या, मैं तो जिंदा लाश हूँ. This is the mandap because they're literally like painting it, repainting it. I think finishing touches. गद्दे रखे हुए हैं इधर, like you see. There's some flowers. I can't wait to see how it turns out. And this is the wedding look, you guys. Look who's ready for the wedding. I want to see her outfit. Oh my god. चनिया चोली पहनाया है इसको.
Yes.
Damn. Evu, your mom is getting married. Any words? Any?
She's happy. Ah, okay.
She's emotional.
She wants to be held. Come.
Oye.
रुक जा दे रही हूँ support. रुक जा. Sorry. मेरे बाल. She loves to be held. क्या हो गया बाबू? पानी पीना है तुझे?
She's emotional because her mom is getting married. You don't understand? Ready in the wedding outfit. We are now going to meet Mansi. उसका first look है. So सारी brides में अभी terrace पे जाएंगी and we're gonna see her look. So excited.
Guys, and right now, Evie is also wearing a
Yeah,
chanya
I
choli.
showed them that she's wearing a chanya choli.
Yeah, she's so cute.
Feel time. Come on.
Guys, look at.
अरे मुझे पता नहीं है, मैंने पहली बार देखा है कैमरा.
Guys, I have the best photographer available. Other than Beach in the moment, obviously, but killing it.
Call her for your selfie type photos. अच्छे लगते हैं.
Selfie type photos? What do you mean?
भाई बहुत अजीब कैमरा है ये, बट मस्त है.
Let's go attend the barat.
ओए मासियों की हो गई ओए क्या खूब लगती यार सपना.
Guys, look at the mandap. Oh my god. I've never seen something so beautiful. Wedding is done and it was the most beautiful Bollywood style wedding. कितनी ज़्यादा grand थी and we were also emotional. And now it's about 8:36. हम आ गए हमारे रूम में और सब एकदम comfy हो गए. Like लुक आशी अपना सब पिन्स निकाल रही है, 36 पिन लगाया है जो उसके बाल में वो। ईवी और मृदुल को तो तुम देख ही रहे हो, बस अभी नैप हो जाएगा उनका। आदित्य इज फिगरिंग आउट एयर ड्रॉप या सो फॉर नाउ द प्लान इज दैट वी विल चेंज। आर वी डूइंग डिनर? प्लीज तुझे खाना ही नहीं है इसको। एग्जैक्टली कल रात को भी से डिनर नहीं किया है मृदुल। गाइस please comment that you should eat your meals. Please go comment on Mridul's videos. So we'll eat and then after party. Back in Mumbai from the wedding, and oh my god, it was one of the most beautiful weddings that I've attended. Mansi was looking out of the world. All of her looks was so damn pretty, especially the I don't know what do you call it, the Puderi Pathak one. It was just mind blowing. I've seen her cry, I've seen her smile. There's so much love between Sahil and Mansi. It's just crazy, alhamdulillah. No nazar. So a few days later, today is her reception, and it's about 8 p.m. right now, and it's happening here in Mumbai. I am just getting ready. I got done with my makeup, my hair is also done, and I will just get into my reception outfit. May is also invited, so she's also coming with me, and this is what my outfit looks like. I went for a black outfit. मैंने पूरे फंक्शंस में कहीं पे भी ब्लैक नहीं पहना था। आई डोंट नो व्हाई, आई जस्ट लव अ ब्लैक इंडियन आउटफिट। सो दिस इज लाइक अ क्वाड सेट। लेट मी जस्ट पुट दिस ऑन एंड गेट बैक। दिस इज व्हाट माय आउटफिट लुक्स लाइक। It's so reception vibe, like it's Indo-Western, it's black, but it's also like desi. I got this bag from Udaipur, and yeah, all ready. Let's go. Are you excited? You're gonna see Mau as a bride, like in real.
Ooh, तो मुझे hit ही नहीं हुआ. But now that I can think about it, yeah, I'm very excited. उसको पहली बार देखूंगा मैं after she's Mrs.
Married.
Manasi Rathore. एक्टिविटी रखे है इधर। शादी खत्म हो गई क्या?
हो भी सकता है। It started at 7 and right now it is 10.
Almost 10.
Bro, but the decor is so pretty. Can you just take a decor video with your phone? आधी से आधी चेयर्स खाली हो गई है, so मे बी सब खाने गए होंगे या तो सब घर चले गए होंगे।
नहीं, आई थिंक ज़्यादा लाइन खाने की है, so I think most of them have gone to eat.
Yeah, it's
But
10.
हमारी mom कितनी अच्छी लग रही है। Oh my god.
Yeah, she's in like a lilac sort of a lehenga. We can see those.
लहंगा नहीं है, it's a gown.
It's a gown? Oh.
No, it's a लहंगा। दोनों में से
She
कुछ
told
तो
me
है।
lehenga at the wedding, but let's see. Urvi is here, also Roshni, who's Mansi stylist, my stylist, Ashi stylist, जगत की stylist है वो, है उर्वी तो आपको पता ही है। अभी हम जा रहे हैं ईवी को मिलने, शैवी को मिलने, and we'll take some pictures. Where is the chaniya choli, bro?
Where she is wearing that.
Oh yeah. It's so cute.
Evie has Evie on it.
Evo.
She's sitting on my hand. I don't feel like.
Hi. Bhai, there's Mexican tortilla soup, and this only reminds me of Mau.
डोसे में
दाबेली का बैटर है उसके अंदर। चने का जो आटा होता है उसका।
ओ, और इसके अंदर जो फिलिंग है,
दिल्ली वाला।
ओह नाइस, ट्राई करना है। एक दे दो भैया प्लीज। थैंक यू। मुझे चाहिए?
या बना आई ट्राई।
थैंक यू।
इतने यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट है इनके शादी में ब्रो।
मेदू वड़ा सैंडविच।
भाई साहब, माय माइंड इज ब्लोन विद द फूड हियर। इट्स सो क्रेजी, मतलब एकदम यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट। राइट, मैकरोनी
It's like pasta.
चीजी, बहुत कुछ हो रहा है इधर। I feel like I should have filmed what I ate in a day for the reception because the options are sick.
There's the medu vada sandwich. There's also cheesy.
Avocado pick me up burger.
Of course, I had to pick it up. It was calling me.
Look at the lachha paratha. It's so buttery.
सिर्फ बटर के लिए लिया इसने। हाँ, कुछ
Yeah.
ग्रेवी तो कुछ है नहीं इधर।
लूंगी मैं, कुछ तो लूँ मैं। ब्रो, मैंने मानसी की शादी में सिर्फ ऐसे रोटी बटर वाली खाई है। You want one?
Yes, but I will take it later when I take the gravy.
Not now. Then you'll come इतना walking.
मेरे प्लेट में जगह नहीं है यहाँ पे।
चल चल, we'll put a gravy for.
Oh, there was puri also.
क्या क्या ट्राई करे और क्या क्या छोड़ दे।
Oh,
पूरी के साथ what should we eat? Like normal भाजी।
I think that's the dessert counter now.
Thank God. Thank God the options have ended because it's too difficult to decide. My most favorite counter, Chinese. We have blue rice at a wedding. Like wow. Ending with some pan. I'm having pan after so long. Don't judge.
इधर मिक्स हो रहा है सारा कुछ।